Greetings, fellow explorers of the cosmos. Today we stand on the precipice of a new era, one that promises to transform our understanding of intelligence and technology. Today we embark on a journey to a new frontier, a realm where the boundaries of human capability are constantly being pushed and redefined, not in the vast expanse of space, but in the boundless realm of artificial intelligence. This is a domain where the cosmos of data and algorithms converge to create something truly extraordinary. But in the boundless realm of artificial intelligence, here, data flows like rivers, and neural networks interconnect like the synapses in our brains, creating a digital ecosystem that is both intricate and powerful. Our destination, Deepseek AI, a revolutionary platform poised to redefine our interaction with information and technology. Imagine a tool that not only processes data, but also understands it, reasons about it, and uses it to solve complex problems with unmatched precision. Deepseek AI is not just another AI, it's a leap forward. It represents a significant advancement in how we interact with and utilize technology in our daily lives. Imagine an AI that doesn't just process data but understands it, reasons about it, and uses it to solve complex problems with unmatched precision. This is the promise of Deepseek AI, and uses it to solve complex problems with unmatched precision. Whether it's analyzing vast datasets or making sense of intricate patterns, Deepseek AI stands out as a beacon of innovation. This is the promise of Deepseek AI, a powerful engine fueled by advanced algorithms and a deep understanding of human language. Its capabilities extend far beyond simple data processing. But Deepseek AI is more than just a powerful brain. It's also a versatile tool. It can be applied in various fields, from healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment. It can generate compelling content, write and debug code, and even analyze financial markets with remarkable accuracy. Its versatility makes it an indispensable tool in the modern world, and even analyze financial markets with remarkable accuracy. Imagine having an AI that can predict market trends and provide insights that were previously unimaginable. Its multimodal capabilities allow it to process text, images, and even audio, opening up a universe of possibilities. This means it can understand and interpret information in ways that are more aligned with human cognition, opening up a universe of possibilities. From recognizing patterns in images to understanding the nuances of human speech, Deepseek AI is at the forefront of technological innovation. In a world overflowing with information, Deepseek AI emerges as a beacon of clarity, a tool that empowers us to navigate the digital age with confidence and purpose. It helps us make sense of the overwhelming amount of data we encounter daily, a tool that empowers us to navigate the digital age with confidence and purpose. With Deepseek AI, we can harness the power of information and use it to drive innovation and progress. It's time to dive in and explore the potential of Deepseek AI together. Join us on this exciting journey and discover how this revolutionary platform can transform the way we interact with the world. Embarking on your Deepseek AI journey is remarkably simple. The platform is designed with user-friendliness in mind, ensuring a smooth and intuitive experience from the get-go. Start by creating your free Deepseek AI account. The process is straightforward, requiring only basic information to get you up and running. Once inside, you'll be greeted by a clean, intuitive interface ready to respond to your commands. The key to unlocking Deepseek AI's true power lies in mastering the art of prompt engineering. Think of prompts as instructions you give to Deepseek AI, guiding it to deliver the precise results you desire. Clear, concise prompts are crucial, providing the AI with the context it needs to excel. Experiment with different prompt styles and phrasings. Don't be afraid to iterate and refine your approach until you achieve the desired outcomes. Remember, Deepseek AI is a powerful tool, but it's up to you to wield it effectively. As you become more comfortable with Deepseek AI, you'll discover a treasure trove of advanced features and hidden tricks waiting to be explored. These features are designed to enhance your productivity and creativity, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, there's always something new to learn and master within Deepseek AI's extensive toolkit. These powerful capabilities elevate Deepseek AI from a simple AI assistant to a true productivity powerhouse. Imagine having a virtual assistant that not only understands your needs but also anticipates them, providing solutions before you even realize you need them. This level of sophistication is what sets Deepseek AI apart from other tools in the market. One such feature is the ability to fine-tune Deepseek AI's responses by adjusting parameters like temperature and top K sampling. These settings allow you to control the creativity and diversity of the AI's output, ensuring that the responses are tailored to your specific needs. Whether you need highly creative ideas or precise, factual information, Deepseek AI can be adjusted to deliver exactly what you require. These settings control the creativity and diversity of the AI's output, allowing you to tailor its responses to your specific needs. By experimenting with different parameters, you can discover the perfect balance that works for your unique projects. This level of customization ensures that Deepseek AI is not just a one-size-fits-all solution, but a versatile tool that adapts to your individual requirements. Another hidden gem is Deepseek AI's ability to seamlessly integrate with other AI tools and platforms. This interoperability means you can combine the strengths of multiple AI systems, creating a powerful network of tools that work together to enhance your productivity. Whether you're using AI for data analysis, content creation, or project management, Deepseek AI can be the central hub that brings everything together. Imagine connecting Deepseek AI to your favorite design software, allowing you to generate stunning visuals with a simple voice command. This feature is particularly useful for designers and creatives who want to streamline their workflow and focus more on the creative process rather than the technical details. With Deepseek AI, you can bring your ideas to life faster and more efficiently than ever before. The possibilities for cross-platform synergy are limitless. By integrating Deepseek AI with various software platforms, you can create a seamless workflow that spans multiple tools and devices. This interconnectedness allows for greater flexibility and efficiency, enabling you to work smarter, not harder. Whether you're in the office, at home, or on the go, Deepseek AI ensures that you have the tools you need to succeed. By mastering these advanced techniques, you'll unlock a new level of efficiency and creativity in your work. Deepseek AI empowers you to push the boundaries of what's possible, transforming your ideas into reality with ease. The more you explore and experiment with its features, the more you'll discover its potential to revolutionize your workflow. Deepseek AI becomes more than just a tool. It transforms into a trusted partner, augmenting your abilities and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With its advanced features and seamless integrations, Deepseek AI is poised to become an indispensable part of your professional toolkit, helping you achieve new heights of productivity and creativity. Section 4. Deepseek AI, your gateway to profitability. Beyond its impressive capabilities, Deepseek AI presents a unique opportunity for financial gain. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, Deepseek AI can be your secret weapon in the ever-evolving digital marketplace. One lucrative avenue is freelancing. Deepseek AI can help you craft compelling proposals, generate high-quality content at lightning speed, and even manage your client communication, freeing up your time to focus on what you do best. Another path to profitability lies in AI-generated content. Deepseek AI can create engaging blog posts, captivating social media updates, and even entire ebooks, all tailored to your target audience. This opens up exciting possibilities for content creators and marketers alike. But Deepseek AI's money-making potential doesn't stop there. Its automation capabilities can streamline your business processes, from managing your inbox to handling customer inquiries, saving you time and resources while boosting your bottom line. Section 5. Deepseek AI, shaping the future, one interaction at a time. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of artificial intelligence, Deepseek AI emerges as a powerful force for progress. This isn't just about technology, it's about a revolution in how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. The integration of AI into our daily lives promises to bring about changes that were once the stuff of science fiction. Its ability to learn, adapt, and evolve alongside us holds immense potential to reshape our world in profound ways. From automating mundane tasks to solving complex problems, Deepseek AI is at the forefront of this transformation. Imagine a world where AI not only assists, but also anticipates our needs, making our lives more efficient and enriched. Imagine a future where Deepseek AI personalizes our education, creating tailored learning experiences that cater to each student's unique strengths and weaknesses. This could revolutionize the way we approach teaching and learning, making education more accessible and effective for everyone. It could tailor medical treatments to our unique DNA, offering personalized healthcare solutions that are more effective and less invasive. This means better outcomes for patients and a more efficient healthcare system overall, and even helps us tackle global challenges like climate change and resource scarcity. By leveraging AI, we can develop innovative solutions to monitor and manage our environment, ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. The possibilities are as boundless as the universe itself. With AI, we can explore new frontiers, both in space and in the depths of our own planet, uncovering secrets that have eluded us for centuries. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we push the boundaries of what AI can do, we must also consider the ethical implications of these advancements. How do we ensure that AI is used for the greater good and not to the detriment of society? As we embrace the transformative potential of Deepseek AI, we must also engage in thoughtful dialogue about its ethical implications and societal impact. This means involving diverse voices in the conversation, from technologists and ethicists to everyday citizens. The future is not something to be predicted, it's something we create together. By working collaboratively, we can harness the power of AI to build a better, more inclusive world. I invite you to join me on this exciting journey of discovery, where every interaction with AI brings us closer to a future filled with endless possibilities. Together, we can explore the potential of Deepseek AI and its role in shaping the future of humanity. As we delve into the limitless possibilities of Deepseek AI, we must remain vigilant and proactive in addressing the challenges that come with such powerful technology. This means continuous learning, adaptation, and a commitment to ethical practices. What wonders will we uncover? What new applications will we discover that can change the way we live and work? The journey of innovation is just beginning, and the potential is limitless. What challenges will we overcome? From healthcare to education, from environmental sustainability to ethical governance, the hurdles we face are significant, but not insurmountable. The answers lie ahead, waiting to be explored. With Deepseek AI, we are not just imagining